Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap and also yesterday's trade recap as well because yesterday I took a trade and I didn't do a trade recap for it, so I'm going to cover it up in today's video. And yeah, before we go into the video, please guys don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit the subscribe button. Let us continue our journey to YouTube. So after you did, let's get straight into today's video. Wait, oh fuck, I always fuck this shit up. Why, bro? Okay, now we are talking. Okay. So the reason I took today's trade on longs is because I first place have a bullish bias going into the day. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are breaking above this lower trend and we broke the structure right here, and we are making the new higher low that we created right here, and there's potentially higher probability to continue up moving higher to take out these highs, these highs, and these highs as well. So with that, I scaled down to the 1-hour time frame. Within the 1-hour time frame, I have spotted these 1-hour lows, these 1-hour lows, and wait, what else? Oh, this is Asian session lows, yeah. With that, and I also have these buy side liquidity, those buy side liquidity, and those buy side liquidity. So with that, I pretty much waited for New York session to open, and I scaled down to the 15-minute time frame to spot up the liquidity sweep. So with here, we took out these lows, and we barely took out these lows. I think we created the, how to say it, equal lows, yeah, equal lows. And also we have created the bullish SMT divergence with GBP GPY. So what I did after that is I simply just waited for a 15-minute break of structure, which literally happened right here. So that scaled down to the 5-minute time frame, which I spotted this breaker block, and we also had I think 15-minute fair value gap or 5-minute. Yeah, we had this 15-minute fair value gap, and before we created that 15-minute fair value gap, I think we have created this 5-minute fair value gap, this 5-minute fair value gap as well. And you know what I was waiting for after the 15-minute break of structure? I was waiting for retracement into the fair value gap and into the breaker block. And by the way, we also retraced back into the equilibrium zone, so that is going to add up into the confluences. So we have a breaker block, fair value gap, and equilibrium zone. So what I'm going to do next is, oh wait, no, forget equilibrium, I just look for it now. Before equilibrium, we retraced back into this 5-minute fair value gap that I told you about, and we reacted off of it, and we retraced back into the breaker block. So breaker block and fair value gap. So with that, I scaled down immediately to the 1-minute time frame, and I just simply looked for a inversion of the fair value gap or a break of structure, which literally happened right here. We have this bearish fair value gap, and we can break the structure right here. So with that candle, without this up candle, I just simply entered to the trade. My stop loss is very simple and obvious. It's going to be at the lows right here, and my TP is going to be as little as 1-to-1 risk to reward within this this high, this London session high. I could have set it right here, but as you guys know, I'm not gonna be trading like I used to be, putting crazy risk rewards like 1-to-3 and 1-to-2 risk rewards. No, I'm just gonna be sticking to 1-to-1 risk to reward, which has increased my win rate, by the way. So that I entered the trade, I set and forget. Minutes later, look at this fucking crazy shit. Look at this crazy shit. I didn't set my TP at these highs. I set my TP at those highs right here, slightly above these highs to get a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And wait, 1-to-1 exactly. Wait, where is it? Wait, bro, I fucked up, but you guys get it. I just wanted to get a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and it was slightly above that high. And what happened next is we get this bullish candle, bullish news candle. By the way, Trump was speaking by this time, but I said Trump's speech is going to increase volatility. No, it's going to change the market structure. So I said I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna be playing it safely. And this bullish candle, look, bro, it reached right here by 1 pip away till it hit my DP and returned back into my break-even zone, or I don't know. It went even lower to the losing part. So I said, yeah, it's crazy, but I don't give a fuck because I risked how I usually risk is not over risking or anything. So I'm just gonna be playing it trade safely and shit. So I just closed my phone, closed the charts, said what it is what it is. I'm gonna just to check it after it hits whether TP or stop loss. I don't care. And with that, after that, I was slightly confident that I think the trade is going to hit TP because the order flow says it all. We have created the new breakout structure to the upside. We have reacted to every single confluences, and even the volatility from Trump's speech is positive. So that continuing moving higher, we took out my TP, and yeah, that's it. After that, the market continued moving higher and took out these highs and these highs as well. So with that, that's it. That's what covers up today's trade recap. So to go into yesterday's trade recap, which was actually a break-even trade, it was not a winning trade, but my whole bias, my whole trade idea was fucking clean. The market just stopped me out at break-even and then continued moving up to hit my TP, and I'm just gonna show it to you into my Notion journal because I forgot. So right here, it was actually on yesterday, 20 January. New York session, I went by. So wait, let me read this for you guys. Bro, what happened? Okay, going to today's trade, it was a very good and perfect trade. Found my setup and I was executed the trade perfectly and following every single rule. It was a simple sweep of liquidity with a breakout structure of 5-minute retracement and a 1-minute breakout structure. What else? It was a 1-to-1 risk reward. And bro, where's the screenshots? Wait, let me show you the screenshots. Okay, so this was the setup. I found the sweep of liquidity after the New York session opens. Then we took out these lows. We created the bullish S&P with GBP, GPY. And with that, we have slightly move up. What else? We respected this bullish value gap and we created the breakout structure. And then, right here, after we broke the structure right here, I scaled down to the, I think, the 1-minute time frame. I found out my entry after the inversion of the fair value gap, and then with that I set up my TP, which is going to be at these, I think, 5-minute highs, and my stop loss at the 5-minute lows. So after the trade went up till this point, I set up my stop loss at break even, and I literally got stopped out at break even, and then the market continued moving higher and it hit my TP initially. So with that covers up all the trade recaps from yesterday and today and every single thing. So don't forget to smash up that like button, to hit that subscribe button, and I see you the next time. Peace out, boys. I love you.